How to recover files from the recycle bin in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to get your deleted files back in just a few steps. First, double-click the recycle bin icon on your desktop to open it. From there, you'll see a list of every file you've deleted that hasn't been permanently removed yet. After that, find the file you want to recover, right-click on it, and select Restore from the menu. Following this, the file will be sent right back to the exact folder it was deleted from. From here, if you want to restore multiple files at once, hold Control and click each file you want, then right-click and select Restore to bring them all back together. At this point, if you can't find the file you're looking for, use the search bar at the top of the recycle bin window and type in the file name to locate it faster. Finally, keep in mind that once you empty the recycle bin, files can no longer be restored this way, so it's worth checking here first before trying anything else. That's how you recover files from the recycle bin in Windows 11. If this was helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then.